This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? We're now at Kløfta, and behind me here you see Jac E30X. This is the Nordic Edition 50 with a 51.5 kilowatt hour LFP battery. And we're going to test now how noisy is it. I experienced it that it is extremely noisy. And then what about acceleration and also braking? Because we have Gitty Comfort 225. But those are not 225 with tires. The dimension is actually different, it's 205. Yeah. How safe are these Gitty Comfort tires? And what about noise? What about acceleration? Well, let's find out. Wait, let's see, is it locked now? Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, nice interior at least. Big screen. Well, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So you see that the Jac E30X Nordic Edition, this is the big battery, 51.5 kilowatt hour. According to spec, it's supposed to be 7.8 seconds, and it did it in 8.9. That's kind of weird. Normally I will be able to match or even go faster in the spec, especially because I have empty car, and there is no sport mode here. It's just the normal mode or the eco mode, and I put it in normal mode. So I actually don't know why it is so slow, but okay, whatever. But it's not the slowest. Inster is even slower. It's a second slowest, but that's pretty much it, because all the other cars in a similar price range, they cost, they have faster acceleration. At least the Firefly is faster, and then the ID3 Pure is even faster. And then what, Dolphin also, wow, BYD Dolphin, yeah, costs also roughly the same. That's why I mentioned them in this test. And then here, when it comes to noise, well, it was quite noisy. I don't know if it has something to do with the Gitty Comfort tires. They are not that much common here in the Western world. But not the noises. See, Kona was actually even noisier. Wow. And then also Lexus UX300E, and then Honda E, they were quite noisy. But okay, for modern cars at least, okay, we have around almost 71 decibel average. Further up the list, you see Dolphin is here, even with some Linglong Comfort Master, almost 3 decibel better average noise. And then Firefly is a lot better, and also EV3. And then on top here, I think we have, I also mentioned MGS5. It's a different segment, a bigger car, but you can get the MGS5 with smaller battery that costs roughly the same as the other cars here. And also ID3 Pure, German car, even better noise. ID3 was the best. There is a winter result of the Inster, which is here, but that's 67 decibel. Normally with summer tires it'd be about 1 decibel better. So yes, Inster is better than the E30X in noise. And then braking, I also wonder, when you use some Chinese tire, how do they brake compared to the Western tires? Well, I mean, it's okay, around 37 meters. The best they do it in 33, 34 meters. That's Tesla Model Y performance. And also on the bottom, you have the winter tires. So needless to say, winter tires, when you brake it on dry asphalt, they don't perform well at all. Yeah, it comes here roughly in the middle. Maybe what saved the result here is that the car is relatively light. You see, the ID3 weighs a lot more, 400 kilograms more, and it brakes roughly the same length with Continental and also similar width tires. So there you guys have it, the E30X. It's like, okay, acceleration performance, not the best. Noise, quite noisy, unless you drive in the city, I guess. But most of this comes from rumbling noise or the road noise. So if noise becomes a problem for you, I recommend buying some Western tires with some acoustic foam, like Conti Silent or some of the other, yeah. Then you should have better noise, because I noticed that the acoustic foam tends to reduce the rumbling noise. But of course you can't do much with the wind noise, but that's not a problem because you buy a city car, right? And then you don't care too much about hammering at 120 kilometers per hour. So I mean, overall it performs okay, yeah, for an affordable car. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that they were man's car. Okay, anyway, that's gonna be for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.